Hello students and friends, welcome back to Learners Academy. Today is day 12, chapter 2, handwritten notes give reasons. Today's chapter is life process in living organisms, part 1 of our science 2 important biology chapters. We have to study this really well. Okay, let's begin. Give reasons. Question 2 of the board exam worth 4 marks. Crack your 10 boards with guarantee question wise preparation for exams. Prepare these give reasons from each chapters to ensure 4 marks from question 2a. There will be 3 questions in 2a. You have the choice to attempt any 2 out of those 3. I will always keep on telling you attempt all the 3. In fact, attempt the entire paper. Do whatever you can, solve all numericals, do all the give reasons, all the distinguish or any diagram based questions. Don't miss out on anything. Leave no stone unturned. Yeah, in chapter 2 we have 7 most important give reasons for you. Let's begin with the give reasons. Get above 95. Yes, of course. For those of you wondering it's difficult to get above 95, no, not at all. Just need to focus a little bit, put in your hard work. Ultimately, teachers will only teach you and explain you, but the main responsibility is of the student to get the required percentage. So by the end of the day, it's always your effort for the 10th standard. So yeah, let's begin with the give reasons. First one. Oxygen is necessary for complete oxidation of glucose. Let's take a highlighter for this. Oxygen is necessary for the complete oxidation of glucose due to the following reasons. When glucose is completely oxidized in aerobic cellular respiration, it produces 38 molecules of ATP. In cellular respiration, 3 processes takes place one after the other. They are the glycolysis, Krebs cycle and ETCR, electron transfer chain reaction. Very important. And study these as well as their definitions very well. They are the most asked answers in science too: glycolysis, Krebs cycle and electron transfer chain reaction. I'm not talking about the give reason, I'm talking about the main functions and their main definition, along with the diagram of one of the diagram which is given in the textbook. Okay, in absence of oxygen only glycolysis can occur, but further 2 reactions will not take place. If glycolysis occurs in absence of oxygen, it produces alcohol. By anaerobic glycolysis, only 2 molecules of ATP are produced. This results in less energy supplied to the body. Therefore, oxygen is necessary for the complete oxidation of food. This is a very important answer, most asked. The first one only is this is the most asked give reason from this particular chapter. Very fantasy answer, loved by students as well as teachers. Let's go to the second one. Krebs cycle is also known as citric acid cycle due to the following reasons. Sir Hans Krebs produced citric acid cycle and hence it's called Krebs cycle. These are series of cyclic chain reactions which begin with acetyl coenzyme A molecules which acts with the molecules of oxaloacetic acid. Very important, students. The reactions are catalyzed with the help of specific enzymes. Some enzymes, they will act as catalysts in these reactions which make them occur fast. The first molecule formed in this reaction is called citric acid. Therefore, Krebs cycle is also called citric acid cycle. This is also a very important answer. Study this well. Yeah, let's move to the third give reason. Sometimes higher plants and animals perform anaerobic respiration. Very small answer. Sometimes higher plants and animals perform anaerobic respiration due to the following reasons. When there is deficiency of oxygen in the surrounding, the aerobic respiration is not possible. In such cases, to survive, higher plants switch over to anaerobic respiration. In some plant animal tissue, cells perform anaerobic respiration in case of oxygen deficiency. Hence, copy the remaining statement from the question itself. Very small and easy answer. Now to the fourth one. We feel exhausted after exercising. Why? This is a very practical and daily life based answer. So this is the scientific reason why we feel exhausted after exercising due to the following reasons. There may be shortage of oxygen for cells when we exercise constantly. Therefore, our muscles and other tissues perform anaerobic type of respiration in such conditions. In this process, lactic acid is formed. Molecules of ATP produced during oxidation of food is also less. Only 2 molecules of ATP are produced in this. There is less energy and accumulation of lactic acid too in the body. This brings about the feeling of exhaustion. Hence we feel exhausted after constant exercise. Very easy and important answer. Study this thoroughly, you will get it easily. For those of you still wondering that science has a lot of give reasons is worth 4 marks. And for those of you who don't know, if you study the give reasons well, your question 2b, which is the other answers, question 3, which is your main answer, the 3 mark ones, and the question 4, which is application based, the last answer, the last main question, all of that will go very easy if you study the give reasons well. Give reason is like a base of your paper. It sets an impression for the examiner, for the teacher, and the rest paper, it really goes very well. Yeah, now to the 5th give reason. Fiber is one of the most important nutrient. Due to the following reasons: they are indigestible substances, they help in digestion, they are thrown out with other useless and undigested matter. Some fibers also help in digestion of other substances. Green leafy vegetables, fruits, cereals, etc. supply nutritious fibers. Hence, fibers are considered an important nutrient. Fibers are essential as they promote movement of material through the digestive system. Very small, easy answer. Write all these 4 points, half mark for each point. Very simple. 6th, cell division is an important property of cells and organisms. Cell division is an important property of cells and organisms because the growth and development is possible only due to cell division. The emaciated body can be restored only through the cell division, which adds new cells. Offspring are produced only through cell division that takes place in parents. In asexual reproduction, mitosis helps to give rise to new generation. Continued part. In sexual reproduction, meiosis helps to perform haploid gametes. All such functions show that cell division is an important property of cells and organisms. This is meiosis, this one is mitosis. So never get confused with meiosis and mitosis. And yeah, there's one mistake which I have made over here. Observe and write in the comment section. Yeah, let me just tell you what I have done. This first part of the answer is written on one page and the rest is in black and white ink on the other page. I don't want any of you to do that in your board exam. Your main board exam booklet is of 20 pages and you have the chance to get unlimited supplements, however, how much ever you write. So speaking of that, I will always suggest all of you write all of these answers in one page only. Don't move to the other page. If it's an answer which has to be written in 2 pages, it cannot fit in 1 page, that's another story. But this is an answer which can easily fit in 1 page. So give it ample amount of space, move to the other page, don't worry about space, write PTO or continue on the page which you are skipping. May the paper be absolutely neat, absolutely precise. Don't confuse the teacher or the examiner. She may confuse this with the other answer and you may get less marks, we really don't know. So make the paper very easy for the examiner and the teacher, because they also have a lot of pressure, 500-600 papers. So make it only easy for them and make it very clear for yourself also. One answer on one page. Yeah, let's move to the 7th give reason. I hope you understood what I said. Yeah, water is an essential nutrient. Water is an essential nutrient due to the following reasons. Our body consists of about 65 to 70% water. Cells and blood plasma contain 70 to 90% water respectively. Water acts as a universal solvent and provides a medium for many metabolic activities and metabolic reactions. It also helps in transportation of nutrients to various parts of the body. When there is a little loss of water from the body, diarrhea or dehydration, functioning of the cells and thereby the whole body is affected drastically. Hence, copy the remaining statement, water is an essential nutrient. Yeah, now let's conclude today's lecture. If I had made any mistakes in today's lecture, please correct me in the comments. Study these give reasons, take their screenshots, pause for a while, watch the video again and again so that you can learn it by heart. Rewind a little bit if you wish to. Now keep learning, keep smiling, share all your knowledge and experience with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to Learners Academy. I'll be uploading more videos every day. On that note, stay healthy, stay safe, keep learning. All the best to your 10 standards. Bye bye.